The online learning boom is here. With the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing accessibility of the internet, more and more people are turning to online platforms to gain new knowledge and skills. This shift is transforming the way we think about education. People want to learn new things, and the internet makes it easy. Whether it's picking up a new hobby, advancing in their careers, or simply satisfying their curiosity, online learning offers a convenient and flexible solution. The diversity of courses available means there's something for everyone. You can learn from anywhere, anytime. This flexibility is one of the biggest advantages of online learning. Whether you're at home, on a break at work, or traveling, you can access your courses and continue your education without any interruptions. This convenience is unmatched by traditional classroom settings. This is why online learning is growing so fast. The industry is experiencing exponential growth, with more platforms and courses being introduced every day. Statistics show a significant increase in enrollment numbers, indicating a strong demand for online education. More people are buying online courses because they want to improve skills or learn something new. The ability to choose from a wide range of subjects and the opportunity to learn at their own pace makes online courses an attractive option for many. This is a great time to share your knowledge and make money. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative venture. With the right tools and strategies, you can reach a global audience and generate a steady income. Teaching online is different than teaching in person. It requires a different set of skills and approaches. Online instructors need to be adept at using digital tools and creating engaging content that can capture and hold the attention of their students. You need to know how to create great content, and you also need to know how to market your course online. Effective digital marketing strategies are crucial for attracting students and standing out in a crowded market. From social media promotion to email campaigns, there are various ways to reach your target audience. This presentation will teach you how to sell online courses. We will provide you with practical tips and insights on how to create a successful online course business. From planning your course content to pricing strategies, we've got you covered. We will cover everything from finding your audience to getting great reviews. Positive reviews are essential for building credibility and attracting more students. We'll show you how to engage with your students, gather feedback, and continuously improve your courses to ensure success. Before you create your course, you need to know who you are teaching. This is the foundation of your entire course creation process. Without a clear understanding of your target audience, your course might miss the mark. Who will benefit the most from your knowledge? Identifying this group is crucial because it allows you to focus your efforts on those who will find your content most valuable. Think about their age, job, and interests. Are they young professionals looking to advance their careers, or perhaps retirees seeking new hobbies? Understanding these details helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. What problems do they have? Identifying their pain points allows you to offer solutions that are directly relevant to them. This makes your course not just informative, but transformative. How can your course help them? Whether it's gaining a new skill, solving a specific problem, or achieving a personal goal, your course should be designed to meet these needs. Knowing your audience helps you create the right course. It guides your content creation, ensuring that every lesson, module, and resource is tailored to their needs and preferences. You can tailor your content to their needs. This means using language they understand, examples they can relate to, and a teaching style that resonates with them. For example, if you're teaching photography to beginners, use simple language and easy exercises. Break down complex concepts into manageable steps and provide plenty of practical examples. But if your audience is more advanced, you can get more technical. Dive into the nuances of the subject, offer advanced techniques, and challenge them with complex projects. Understanding your audience is key to selling your course. It not only helps you create content that they will love, but also enables you to market your course more effectively. It helps you create the right content and market it effectively. By knowing who your audience is, you can craft marketing messages that speak directly to their needs and desires, making them more likely to enroll in your course. Your online course needs to be great. It should be well organized and easy to follow. Use different formats like videos, audio, and text. Make sure your content is valuable and engaging. Keep your students interested by using stories and examples to make it relatable. High-quality content will make your students happy, and they will be more likely to recommend your course to others. Don't be afraid to update your course. Add new information and keep it fresh. This shows your students you care. Give away some of your knowledge for free. This is a great way to attract students. Create valuable content like webinars, ebooks, or checklists. Offer these resources on your website or social media. Ask people to sign up for your email list to get the free content. This helps you build a relationship with potential students. They can see how good your teaching is. When people like your free content, they will be more likely to buy your course. They will trust you as an expert. Incorporate interactive elements. Marketing your online course. This is where your hard work starts to pay off. You have a great course. Now, you need to tell people about it. The first step is to create a buzz around your course. Use different ways to reach your target audience. Think about where they spend their time online and what kind of content they engage with. Social media is a powerful tool. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube can help you reach a wide audience quickly. Share your free content and talk about your course. Create engaging posts, videos, and stories that highlight the benefits of your course. Run ads on platforms where your target audience spends time. Use targeted advertising to reach people who are most likely to be interested in your course. Email marketing is another great way to connect with potential students. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters. Send regular emails with valuable content and promote your course. Include tips, updates, and exclusive offers to keep your audience engaged. Don't be afraid to ask for referrals. Encourage your current students to spread the word about your course. Offer discounts to students who refer their friends. Word of mouth is very powerful. A personal recommendation can be more effective than any ad. Consider writing blog posts or guest articles on popular websites in your niche. This can help you reach a new audience and establish yourself as an authority. Podcasts are another great way to reach potential students. Share your expertise and talk about your course in a way that provides value to listeners. Hosting live webinars can also be very effective. They allow you to interact with potential students in real time and answer their questions. Finally, don't forget to collect and showcase testimonials from your students. Incorporate quizzes and assignments. Use multimedia to enhance learning. Use testimonials and reviews to build credibility. Ask your happy students to share their experiences. Display these testimonials on your website and landing pages. You can also share them on social media. When people see that others have benefited from your course, they are more likely to buy it. It's like a recommendation from a friend. Encourage your students to leave reviews on platforms where people look for online courses. The more positive student support. Nurturing your online community. Don't forget about your students after they buy your course. Be there to answer their questions and provide support. Create a community forum where students can connect with each other. This helps them learn from each other and stay motivated. Host live Q&A sessions to address student questions directly. This shows you care about their success. Building a strong community around your course increases student satisfaction. Happy students are more likely to recommend your course to others. Pricing strategies. Finding the sweet spot. Pricing your course correctly is important. Research what other courses on similar topics are priced at. Consider the value you are providing. Don't undervalue your knowledge and expertise. You can offer different pricing tiers with varying levels of access and support. This gives students options. Don't be afraid to experiment with pricing. You can always adjust it based on student feedback and market demand. Conclusion: your journey to online course success. Selling online courses is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and effort to build a successful online course business. Be patient, stay consistent, and keep learning. The online learning industry is constantly evolving. Remember, the most important thing is to create high-quality content that helps people. Focus on providing value, and the sales will follow. Now go out there and share your knowledge with the world. You got this. Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com. Come and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.